The rise of this quiet AI adoption at work is reshaping productivity. But what's driving this secretive shift, and why aren't employees speaking up about it? These AI tools can write emails, summarize reports, handle customer service inquiries, and even manage social media replies, all without management being aware. This quiet adoption of AI isn't just about gaining efficiency, it's also about avoiding potential risks, such as job insecurity or the fear of being penalized for using AI. But how exactly are employees using AI tools at work, and why are they keeping it a secret? What are the productivity benefits of these tools? And are there ethical concerns that should not be overlooked? As AI becomes a more prevalent part of the workplace, it's crucial to examine both its advantages and its potential pitfalls. In this video, we will explore the reasons behind the secretive use of AI at work, the productivity boost it provides, the risks and ethical concerns, and what this shift means for the future of work. Let's begin with the rise of quiet adoption in workplaces. Artificial intelligence has become an omnipresent force in the workplace, especially in areas where tasks can be automated or improved by algorithms. However, what was once a highly visible technological revolution is now happening quietly in the background. Employees are using AI tools to speed up their work processes, often without the knowledge of their employers. From automating customer service to drafting emails, the tools available today are so sophisticated that they can handle entire workflows that would have taken employees much longer to complete. What's particularly fascinating about this shift is the stealthy nature of AI adoption. Many workers, especially in mid-level roles, have embraced AI tools as a way to gain a productivity edge. These tools, including popular options like Grammarly for writing assistance, Notion AI for organizing thoughts, and Copy.ai for generating copy, allow employees to work faster, with fewer errors, and with less mental strain. As AI continues to advance, the range of tasks that can be automated grows wider, prompting more and more employees to take advantage of these tools. As we transition from this overview, let's delve deeper into how employees are specifically using AI tools in their daily work routines. Now, let's find out what employees have been doing. When employees use AI at work, it's often to tackle tasks that are repetitive, time-consuming, or mundane. One of the most popular uses of AI in the workplace is for writing assistance. Tools like Grammarly are widely used for proofreading and grammar-checking emails and reports. In fact, many employees have turned to these AI tools to ensure their writing is free of mistakes, helping them save time while producing high-quality work. Similarly, writing assistants like ChatGPT and Copy AI are being employed to draft emails, generate reports, or even create social media content. By simply inputting a few key details, these tools can churn out well-structured, coherent text that saves employees a significant amount of time and effort. Another area where AI is making waves is meeting summaries. Employees no longer need to spend hours transcribing meetings or writing up notes. With AI tools like Otter.ai and Notion AI, meeting summaries are generated automatically, helping workers focus on more valuable tasks. AI is also being used to handle customer service inquiries. Tools like ChatGPT are increasingly being used to respond to customer emails and even manage live chat conversations, freeing up customer service representatives to focus on more complex queries. The ability to automate these mundane tasks means that employees can dedicate more time to high-priority projects that require critical thinking and creativity. However, the widespread use of these tools often happens without any formal endorsement from employers. Now, let's explore why employees are choosing to keep their AI usage under wraps. Despite the clear productivity advantages of AI, many employees are reluctant to openly admit they're using these tools at work. Why? The reasons for this secrecy can be traced back to a number of fears and concerns. One of the most significant concerns is the fear of job loss. As AI continues to grow in sophistication, employees worry that their roles may be seen as less necessary. If employers discover that workers are using AI to handle tasks that were once their responsibility, there's a risk that those jobs could be automated entirely. Many workers fear that their use of AI might be perceived as a sign of inefficiency or redundancy, even if AI is only being used to enhance their productivity. Another reason employees keep their use of AI under wraps is the lack of formal support from companies. Many businesses have not yet created clear policies regarding AI use, and some companies may even discourage employees from using AI tools for fear of relying too heavily on automation. In some workplaces, employees may feel that using AI could be seen as a violation of company norms, especially if AI use isn't explicitly encouraged or endorsed by the organization. Consequently, workers who use AI in secret are often doing so without any assurance that their actions are supported by their employers. Furthermore, employees are often motivated to keep their AI usage secret because of the competitive edge it provides. By using AI tools to streamline their work processes, employees can produce more work in less time, potentially outshining their colleagues. Since this gives them an advantage in terms of output, they are reluctant to reveal their AI hacks for fear that others will catch on and use the same tools, diminishing their competitive edge. As we move on, let's explore the productivity benefits that employees experience when they secretly use AI tools. Moving ahead, let's talk about the productivity payoff. The most immediate benefit of using AI in the workplace is the significant boost to productivity. Tasks that would normally take hours, such as drafting emails or summarizing reports, can now be completed in minutes with the help of AI tools. By automating these repetitive, time-consuming tasks, employees can focus on higher-level, strategic work that adds more value to the organization. As a result, employees who use AI tools can complete their work faster without sacrificing quality, which leads to greater efficiency. In addition to the time savings, AI can also help reduce burnout among employees. The constant pressure to perform and meet deadlines can lead to mental exhaustion, especially when employees are bogged down by routine tasks. AI's ability to take over these mundane tasks allows employees to allocate their energy to more engaging work. Moreover, AI tools like Notion AI and ChatGPT can help employees stay organized and on top of their tasks, reducing stress and making it easier to manage workloads. Employees who use AI tools in this way often report feeling less overwhelmed and more in control of their work. However, while AI tools offer substantial productivity benefits, their use also raises several ethical concerns that need to be addressed. Moving on, we will discuss some of the risks and ethical considerations that come with the use of AI in the workplace. So, when does automation cross the line? Although AI offers numerous advantages, its use in the workplace is not without risks. One of the most pressing concerns is data privacy. Many AI tools require access to sensitive company information in order to function properly. For example, tools that generate reports or draft emails may need to analyze company documents or proprietary data. This raises questions about who owns the data and how it is being used. Employees may inadvertently expose sensitive information by using AI tools without considering the security implications. Another ethical dilemma is the potential for plagiarism. While AI tools can generate content quickly, they are not perfect. Sometimes, the AI-generated text may closely resemble existing content, leading to accusations of plagiarism. This is particularly concerning in workplaces where originality is highly valued, such as in marketing or journalism. Employees who use AI tools without understanding their limitations may inadvertently plagiarize, which could have serious legal and professional consequences. Furthermore, the accuracy of AI-generated content is not guaranteed. While tools like ChatGPT are capable of producing text that seems coherent, there are instances where the output can be factually incorrect or misleading. This is a significant concern in fields like law, finance, or healthcare, where precision and accuracy are paramount. Employees must be vigilant about double-checking AI-generated work to ensure it meets the required standards. Finally, there's the question of honesty. When does using AI cross the line into dishonesty? For instance, if an employee uses AI to draft a report or write an email and takes full credit for the work, is that ethical? This raises questions about transparency in the workplace and whether AI use should be disclosed to employers. The growing trend of stealth AI usage highlights the need for clearer ethical guidelines around AI adoption. Now, let's turn our attention to the future and explore what these developments mean for the workplace in the coming years. The quiet rise of AI in the workplace is signaling a shift toward a future where AI literacy will be a crucial skill for employees. As more tasks become automated, workers will need to adapt to new tools and technologies in order to stay competitive. In fact, AI proficiency is quickly becoming a key requirement for many job roles, particularly in fields like marketing, data analysis, and customer service. Employees who are comfortable using AI tools will have a distinct advantage in the job market, and companies will expect workers to be familiar with the latest AI technologies. As AI continues to play a larger role in everyday work tasks, businesses will also need to rethink their policies. Some companies may start to formally endorse AI tools and integrate them into their workflows, while others may continue to resist AI adoption. However, one trend that seems likely is the rise of the Bring Your Own AI movement. Just as employees bring their own devices to work, they may soon bring their own AI tools, using whatever platforms they find most effective to improve their productivity. In conclusion, AI is already changing the way we work. The future of work will likely involve a deeper integration of AI tools, and employees will need to develop their skills to navigate this new landscape. But what do you think? Will AI make workplaces more efficient and transparent? Or will it create new challenges that we aren't prepared for? How do you foresee AI affecting your own work in the future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI and quantum revolution, hit that like button and subscribe, because the next breakthrough is happening right now.